Ever imagined controlling the sky with cinematic precision without stepping into ultra-premium territory? Today on digibot, we're revealing 5 powerful drones that combine advanced features with real-world value, from beginner-friendly designs to high-performance 8K systems. With GPS stability, AI tracking, long-range transmission, and smooth gimbal footage, each one brings serious capability for creators and hobbyists alike. Stay with us. The final pick could completely change what you expect from a drone at this level. Introducing Holy Stone HS900. Under 249 grams, making it lightweight and travel-ready. No FAA registration required. Global positioning ensures stable hover and precise navigation for confident flights. Optical flow stabilization helps maintain steady positioning, especially at lower altitudes. A 3-axis gimbal keeps your footage smooth and cinematic during pans, ascents, and movement. Image transmission up to 20,000 feet delivers long-range, low-latency HD live view for expansive aerial coverage. Smart Follow allows the drone to automatically track your movement for dynamic shots. Cruise control helps maintain consistent speed for smoother video capture. With level 5 wind resistance, it stays steady even in stronger outdoor conditions. Captures stunning 8K photo quality with incredible detail. Enjoy 48-megapixel effective resolution for sharp, high-quality images. Record crisp 4K per 30 frames per second video for smooth and professional-looking footage. Get up to 30-minute flight time on a single charge, powered by a 4,500 mAh battery for extended performance. Connectivity technology. Wi-Fi ensures seamless connection and control. Price, $289.99. Next, we have the DJI Neo 2, a compact, intelligent drone. With palm takeoff and landing, you can launch and land the drone directly from your hand. Gesture control makes operation simple, letting you command the drone with just your hand movements. Capturing moments is easy with the selfie shot feature, perfect for quick and creative shots. It includes the RC-N3 remote controller for precise and responsive control. Record in 4K at 100 frames per second, delivering smooth and detailed slow-motion footage. Omnidirectional obstacle sensing helps detect obstacles from all directions for safer flights. The Return to Palm feature brings the drone back directly to your hand for seamless landing. With voice control via your mobile device, you can operate the drone hands-free.
Hey Fly, follow me.
Full coverage propeller guards enhance safety, making it ideal for beginners. Enjoy faster, smoother tracking with Active Track, keeping your subject in frame. Creative modes like dolly zoom add cinematic depth to your shots. Its lightweight, portable design makes it easy to carry anywhere, with versatile flight performance for different shooting styles. You can also control it through the mobile app for added flexibility. It delivers high-quality 4K imaging for sharp, vibrant visuals. Quick shots like rocket, circle, and droney let you capture dynamic cinematic shots. Motion control gives you even more creative ways to operate the drone. With up to 20 minutes of flight time, you get solid time in the air. A 2-axis mechanical gimbal keeps footage stable and smooth. It uses a full GNSS system, GPS, Galileo, and Beidou, for stable hovering, accurate return, and reliable tracking. This also enables precise positioning and a Find My Drone feature. And the price is $259. Next drone on our list is Potensic ATOM 2. Under 249 grams, this compact and lightweight drone is designed for easy travel and everyday flying. FAA registration is not required, making it convenient for recreational pilots in most countries. One-tap takeoff makes launching simple and beginner-friendly, so you can get in the air quickly and confidently. It captures stunning 8K photo quality with an impressive 48MP resolution, delivering sharp details and vibrant images. For video, you get smooth and cinematic 4K HDR video at 30 frames per second, enhanced by a 3-axis gimbal for stable footage. With PixSync 4.0 technology, the drone ensures strong anti-interference capability and reliable signal performance. It offers a 10 km max control range, giving you extended flight distance with 1080p live view transmission. At the heart of the camera system is a powerful 1/2-inch Sony CMOS sensor, designed to improve clarity, color accuracy, and low-light performance. Slow motion mode helps you capture dramatic action sequences smoothly. Smart Transfer allows high-speed file downloads up to 25 megabytes per second for quick sharing. Dolly Zoom adds a cinematic visual effect to your videos, while AI Circle creates dynamic circular tracking shots around your subject. Panoramic mode allows you to capture wide, immersive landscape shots with ease. AI Track and AI Night Shot use advanced AI technology for precise subject tracking in clear night footage. Cruise Control, Auto Takeoff and Landing, and Smart Return Home provide a smooth, safe, and beginner-friendly flying experience. Price: $359.99. Our next drone is Bwine F7GIM, a high-performance drone built for smooth and stable aerial shooting. It features a 3-axis brushless gimbal for steady, shake-free footage. With PixSync 3.0 digital connection, you get strong digital transmission without Wi-Fi. Enjoy up to 70 minutes flight time for longer flying sessions. Experience clear visuals with 10,000 feet FPV digital transmission. The drone is equipped with 6K UHD lenses for detailed image capture. Record sharp footage in 4K at 30 frames per second. Use the 5x digital zoom to get closer to distant subjects. Activate cruise control for steady forward flight. Turn on Follow Me for automatic tracking. Capture smooth circular shots with orbit flight. Maintain stable positioning using GPS hover and optical flow. And land safely with TOF safety landing technology. The Bwine F7GIM is priced at $369.88. Next item on our list is Skyrover S1. Its advanced artificial intelligent auto track keeps you perfectly framed, automatically following your movement. 3-axis gimbal delivers stable and smooth footage, helping you capture professional quality videos even during motion. 60 frames per second UHD video with 4K resolution ensures crisp, ultra-clear lifelike recording. Slow motion lets you capture dramatic, cinematic moments with enhanced detail. Vertical shooting makes it easy to create ready-to-share content for social media platforms. Powered by a 1/2-inch Sony CMOS sensor. Take stunning 48MP photo with 8K image quality, giving you high-resolution stills. Experience up to 40 minutes long-range flight time per 2560 mAh battery. Enjoy 12 kilometers video transmission for long distance, stable, and reliable signal performance while staying in full control. Lightweight, under 249 grams. FAA certification not required. Tap to return makes bringing your drone back simple and stress-free with just one touch. And the price? Just $379.99. Inspired by these drones? Subscribe and stay locked in for more next-gen aerial tech, and drop your top pick in the comments below.